Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel. In today's video, I will explain you how to find out the remainder of p minus 4 factorial when it is divided by p. In one of my earlier videos, I have explained what is the remainder of p minus 1 factorial by p minus 2 factorial by p, and p minus 3 factorial by p. And in today's video, I'll explain you what is the remainder of p minus 4 factorial by p, where p is a prime number. Let's see how to solve this formula using Wilson's theorem, and then at the end of the video, I will give you a direct formula. Let's start the question. We know that 16 factorial when divided by 17, the remainder is 16. This is known as Wilson's theorem. This is Wilson's theorem. Now using this formula, using this theorem, let's find out what is 13 factorial divided by 17. 16 factorial can be written as 16 into 15 into 14 into 13 factorial divided by 17. And the answer is 16. Now there is a theorem of remainder that if 2 or 3 number or 4 number is divided by certain number and we have to find out remainder of this, we can find the remainder of individual numbers. A divided by n multiply by remainder of b divided by n and remainder of c divided by n. So individually the remainder of 3 numbers and divide by the same number and we'll multiply this, we'll get the same remainder for this. So here if we have to find out the remainder of this, then 16 divided by 17 will be minus 1. 16 when divided by 17. 17 ones are 17, the remainder is minus 1. Similarly, 15 divided by 17, the remainder is minus 2. And 14 divided by 17, the remainder is minus 3. And let's say 13 factorial divided by 17 is x. So minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 is minus 6x is equals to 16. Now x is a remainder and it has to be integer. So we need to find out an integral value for this. And we know that when x is divided by x is equals to 16 divided by minus 6, this is not an integer. We have to find out the integral value. Now another theorem of remainder is that if we are getting a remainder as 16 of minus 6x is equals to 16, that is also equals to 16 plus the divisor. Divisor is 17. So minus 6x is equals to 16 plus 17, which is 33. But again, 33 minus divided by minus 6 will not give us an integral value. So keep on multiplying, keep on adding 17 into this. 17 plus 17. 17 plus 17 is 34 plus 16 is 50. Divided by minus 6 is not divisible. 50 is not divisible by minus 6. So let's take 17 one more time. 17 plus 17 plus 17 is 51 plus 16 is an odd number which is not divisible by 6. Let's take one more 17. So 17 fours are 68 and 16 is 84. So 84 is divisible by minus 6 and the remainder will be minus 14. So 13 factorial when divided by 17, the remainder will be minus 14, which is a negative number. The correct answer, the correct positive number is add the divisor here and the answer is 3. Now the direct formula for this is, which can be derived from this only, from this point only we can derive the formula. The direct formula is remainder when p minus 4 factorial is divided by p, the remainder will always be either p plus 1 by 6 or 5p plus 1 by 6. Either it is p plus 1 by 6 or 5p plus 1 by 6. Let's see, in this case, p is 17. So 13 factorial divided by 17 is either 17 plus 1 by 6 or 5 into 17 plus 1 by 6. First of all, let's check 17 plus 1 by 6 is an integer or not. 17 plus 1 is 18. 18 divided by 6 is 3. This is the direct formula. So for p minus 4 factorial, when divided by p, the remainder will be equal to p plus 1 by 6 or 5p plus 1 by 6. This is the direct formula for the remainder. What will be the case when it will be 5p minus 5p plus 1? When p plus 1 is not divisible by 6, in that case, it will be 5p plus 1 by 6. Let's check that number. Suppose we have to take the factorial as 13. 9 factorial divided by 13. We have to find out the remainder. In this case, p is 13. So 13 plus 1 by 6 is not divisible by 13 plus 1 is 14. 14 is not divisible by 6. So the answer is not p plus 1 by 6. In this case, the answer will be 5 into p plus 1 by 6. 5 into 13 plus 1 divided by 6. That is 65 plus 1 by 6. 66 by 6, and that will be 11. So when p minus 4 is divided by p, the remainder is either p minus 1 factorial, p minus 4 factorial divided by p. The remainder is either p plus 1 by 6 or 5p plus 1 by 6. This is the direct formula.